Conditional formatting is something that you and I can use to our advantage. Let's suppose you want to find amounts that are being claimed that are greater than the maximum amount, and you want them to stand out. When you're ready, let's highlight all these numbers. And remember, use the shortcut if you want. Control-Shift-Down arrow. And again, if you're falling behind, the name of the file is Format. That's the name of the file. It's called Format, and it's in your student data folder. If you're having... That's all right. You think you overwrote it, you said?
Yeah.
All right, I can help you fix that. Let me just jump on your computer. I'm going to remote control your mouse. Not to worry. I'm going to help you.
Okay.
You're in good hands. Okay, that's me that's moving your mouse. Not to worry. I'm going to close out of that file. I'm not going to save it. Okay? Now, I'm going to minimize out of Excel. I'm going to re-decompress the files like we did earlier, just so you can get that one file back. I'm not going to overwrite the other ones. I've done what you did before. Trust me, I've been there. I hate when I do it, too, and I'm like, I should know better. But, you know, you're human. It happens. All right, so now I got your stuff ready. Now I'm going to do this. I'm just going to take that one file. See what I'm doing? I'm going to, let me see, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back here, switch over to your data folder, open that up. I'm actually going to delete it, I think. I don't care about the other file. We're not going, it's not like we're going to use it. So you're okay, no worries. You're in good hands. Let's paste it. All right, good deal. I'm going to open it up, make sure we're good to go. You are good.
Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure. Anytime. All right. So I guess what we could do, we can actually pause right now, but if you want to just highlight that section, just highlight it. And then when we return back from our break, we'll continue where we left off, okay? So here goes the clock. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. So bon appetit. Enjoy your lunch. I'll see everybody when you return. Be safe if you're going to drive, okay? And do a check-in if you like when you get back. Maybe just open up Notepad, just say, I'm back, or whatever you want to say. That's fine. That's good. I'll see you all later.